So guys, I'm going to show you how to change the size of text for Google TV. So make it either larger or smaller. To do this is pretty simple. First just press home. Press on quick settings. Press on all settings. Scroll down. Press on accessibility. Press on text scaling. So here you can either do smaller text. You can also do the default large or largest. What you can also do is press back. So you can also make the text bold. One final thing is when you go down. So you also have this option for high contrast text. Turn this on. Okay guys, thanks for watching.